Welcome everyone to my new video on Solana price analysis and technical discussion for 22nd of April 2023. Beautiful Saturday, as Jasak mentioned. We're looking for discovering the data of the market. After a 2.9 decrease over the last day, we need to see what's happening with this downtrending movement and what is around the corner. As well, make sure before we get into the topic to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like video to get basically more notifications, get that bell going on, and subscribe to the whole picture. So Solana, folks, what's happening with it? Well, it is actually down for the past 7 days, just like the other cryptocurrencies. It's not out of the picture, 11.25%. For the last 24 hours, it's just 3% down. Meanwhile, I have Dogecoin decreasing more, Cardano, Ripple, Ethereum. So nothing to be scared around. I mean, Solana is in the picture, but it's on that half of the picture, which is slightly doing better. And this is a great sign. Now, overall speaking, if you wonder about the retracement process, this is absolutely organic. It's necessarily after such long period of increases, which I'd like to share with you on the charts very soon. In the meantime, for those of you which are interested in ChatGPT, bot trading with AI, make sure to check out our main YouTube channel, which is different than the one I'm posting this video on. The links you have in the description area and comments area. We have live trades, earnings, bot trades, everything on that channel, including this one that I'm posting as well, including the report of the spreadsheet with the ChatGPT bot performance in the way it's basically handled. So make sure to check out our representation with the weekly performance, as well how you can join on two options available. Option number one comes without any prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you with API permission. Option number two is based on a monthly fixed fee, where you handle the complete process and comes in as a signals. Great, so talking about Solana's technicals on the 1 hour candlesticks, this is where we are. If you remember, in my last video, we've talked about the massive red candlestick that basically was different than any other altcoin in the tops 11% in a single hour, due to the fact that we're looking at the 1 hour candlesticks. This is quite of a big time, and it wasn't that welcome. It basically squeezed a lot of the longs and a whole lot of the traders. And the reason why we had that candle like that, especially with such long wick on the bottom side, is because there's many people longing Solana on high leverage during this structure, and they suffer the consequences of a thin order book. Thin order book cryptocurrency that are having the ability to be traded on leverage, especially with high leverage, are suffering big time whenever we have a market decrease, which are different movements than the market pumps. Market decreases are brutal. The selling pressure is triggered differently than how the pumping pressure or the buying pressure is put into, because of the moments that we get to be triggered all the selling pressure at the same time. In a snowball effect, there is a lot of the longs which are getting caught into their leverage position, which are being forced out of their situation, and that is generating a snowball effect of extra pressure downwards. So you got to see candles of 11% out of nowhere in a breakout, which basically should have reacted. We have a golden pocket here, and we have not even filling it, but then simply here, you've been just going through the whole golden pocket on a new level. I mean, we were not supposed to go in a single hour candlestick down more than $23, more than $23.6, and then you would have another candlestick downwards, probably putting us towards 22.2 in the golden pocket. But you did the whole thing more than this in a single candle, which is already problematic in the way Solana looks on the order books. Be careful about a day trading and the way this process is done, because it's extremely risky with this cryptocurrency. What's happening at the moment? Where there is a support appearing here, horizontally speaking, from structures prior to the current situation, around 21.2, 21.4, and this looks great for us. And then there is basically a major support trending line sitting somewhere at 21 that would be some great level of considering Solana's price technicals and analysis at this time. So that's it for the moment. This is what we have for this cryptos. We're looking for discovering more about it. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. We're having this daily video series where we update with the price analysis and technical details in the most rational way possible. Now, make sure to check out the bot trading if you think this is something for you, where you can participate and handle this process completely outsourced. At the same time, for those of you interested in education, watch this video till the end. If you would like to become a trader, or if you would like to improve your trading business by improving your skills that will generate basically different actions, this is a complete coaching program. I'll talk about it right now. In the meantime, have a good fun. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.